Batch F-22-ICS-459 verified. Material specifications confirmed.
Confirmed. Proceed to installation.
An AI-controlled robotic crane lifts the high-grade titanium destined for the F-22's internal cooling system.
A large industrial printer applies temporary, color-coded identification tags. Blue indicates structural components. The titanium sheets are submerged into a chemical etching bath, preparing the surface for optimal adhesion.
Within the sealed environment, the fiber laser precisely cuts the aerospace-grade titanium alloy for the F-22's critical cooling system.
A specialized 6-axis robotic press brake engages, bending a large titanium panel at a precise
The curved titanium duct passes through an inline optical CMM, using high-speed lasers for verification.
The internal cooling system ducts require precision. These titanium sections are now prepared for the critical robotic welding phase.
A small robotic plasma brush cleans the fresh weld bead, removing discoloration and restoring the uniform metallic gray finish.
The freshly coated F-22 Raptor internal cooling system ducts enter a specialized infrared curing oven, where control
The completed F-22 Raptor internal cooling system ducts are stacked onto a logistics pallet and wrapped tightly. The robotic arm precisely lowers the insulation panel, aligning it perfectly with the F-22 Raptor's cooling ducts.
The insulated F-22 cooling ducts pass a final laser measurement, confirming dimensions and insulation thickness are within tolerance for a perfect fit.
Ensure maximum tension on those straps. We need 0 shift.
Secured, boss. All green on the manifest.
schematic highlights the connection point at frame 74.
Confirmed. We have clearance on the port side. Watch the sensor array during the maneuver. Clear on top.
Yep, clear. Going in slow.
Hold it right there. Perfect alignment.
Engaging the torque wrench.
Thermal management system online. Pre-flight check complete. All systems nominal.
As the engines ignite, the cooling system ducts immediately route air, protecting the avionics from the extreme thermal load.
The F-22 Raptor accelerates, its twin afterburner turboprop fans generating immense speed.
Despite the extreme G-forces, the cooling system maintains optimal temperatures for the mission systems and ram coatings, demonstrating critical efficiency.
At supersonic speeds, the airframe is subjected to extreme heat, managed by specialized titanium cooling ducts.
The avionics bay temperature is holding steady. Thermal isolation confirmed.
As you can see from the thermal readouts, the internal cooling system ducts maintained integrity across all parameters. Full mission success.